Yo, what go on? Don't not delayed. People, before me do anything else, you see the video here? I want to big up my first official sponsor. My first official sponsor. The youth here is a youth I know from a long time, long time. A youth from London. He's an English Jamaican youth, but him play a game too. Him just start him gaming channel. So I want to give him a shout out and make you go give him the love and support that you give me. You understand? So, Sans Gaming HD, big up yourself, my friend. Big up yourself, my bro. Thank you very much for sponsoring this video. Dog, my first official sponsor for the video them. Dog, thanks for the support. People, the youth, him not funny, you know. Him hilarious. Him full of energy more than me. Me can't believe there's somebody full of energy more than me right now. People, look here.
Oh my gosh!
Yes, bro, what you saying?
What do you mean, yes, bro? What you saying?
What are you saying?
What am I saying? Do you know what I'm saying, mate? I'm saying right now, I'm gonna win this game.
Yeah, so good.
You see what I tell about? People? People, go over him channel. Him link I got there in the description. Other video here. Go over him channel and make sure you comment, like him video them, and subscribe to him channel. Make him know say you are JWG send you over there. You understand? Show him the love and support. You understand, people? Yo, that you there, yo, a different thing. Anyway. We have some big up to do also, so someone could just jump straight into the big up them and just shout out who forget shout out. Not the last episode I asked a wriggle and the answer was M. M is in moment twice, M is in minute once, and M is not in 1,000 years. So I could just jump in and big up people for Corey Williams, big up yourself, Corey Williams. One press, big up yourself, one press. Omari Whittingham, big up yourself, my J. Rip Grid, big up yourself, Rip Grid. Daniel Thomas, big up yourself, Daniel Thomas. That you know. Tyreek Barnett. I'm a nephew YouTube name this. Well, I named this, but I'm a next nephew I use it. So big up yourself, Jeff. Me know say you. Roger Hewitt, big up yourself, dog. Crazy Nation, big up yourself, Crazy Nation. Trishelle Brown, big up yourself, Trishelle Brown. Conroy Marshall, last but not least, big up yourself, Alright, let's go! Alright, here we are now. People, look here. New car, new Benz, new Bentley, new BMW over there, so plus me have more car. These are just some of them. I just see from the thumbnail, them there, you understand? So, let me take out the Benz, because I really like the Benz, dog. I really like the Benz. To the video, me just go drive around and show you what I go on. Like doing a dog. I have a next house, but I'm not going to show you the house in another video. Yeah. I met that house go and stay. I could see what I go on out on the road. Make sure you look left and look right. So yeah, I have a next regular come up, another one as well. So make sure you stay tuned for that one there and answer it. You understand? I'm not going to tell you which part it I go there, but it I go there somewhere. I finally passed my taxi license. Yes, I passed my taxi license. So I never know what I do today. I probably do some taxi license, or I probably do a mission or something today. You know? There's a quick thing. There's probably some setups or something. I'm going to take out some gang member. Another one, yeah. I'm going to take out some gang member. Another one, yeah. So I could go arm up and get ready for shoot up some people, you know. A long time we wouldn't really do no gang member shoot out. You understand? Remember, if you don't subscribe yet, remember say the door is always open for you to do that. You understand? But I drive out the big body Benz. Big body Benz new. Big body Benz new. Wanna want to see inside that Benz? Inside that Benz there. Speedometer burn up. Lock off my light. You know me have a light a broad daylight for. You have no sense. I don't like driving first person mode, even though it's nice, but I like it. Because I want to see where the car I go on with, you know? But yeah. Big up everybody who over here. Oh, see me I tell you about? This is how I'm in the light. This is how I'm in the light. Oh, that's up me, man. Come on, fight. Yeah, make sure say on the go over my G page, go support him and show him some love. Make him know say JWG Nation send you. You understand? Link I got in the description. You understand? Yeah. Big up 𝐶𝐚𝐦𝐿 same way. Big up 𝐶𝐚𝐬 said speed. You know the thing. Go. Big up all the people them we wait for the next live. The live are forward. Live are forward definitely. The reason why I never start that video at the gym because I got the gym already. Got the gym in the morning when time I wake up. I was just doing some other little errands and some other little things. Ooh, that was close, man. That was close. I'm gonna take out them gang member here, cause you don't know say me the baddest man in the city. A boy can't ramp with me. You understand? Road pretty. Look on road now, people. Road have a new mode now where show everything clear, everything nice, you know. So, yo, the carrier is a beast. I have more car too, you know. I have more car too. I have more car too, man. I will eat more car. So for those people who ask me if I drive Skyline and them car there, no, them days they done. I not drive them car there now. I upgrade now. I'm bigger than that. I'm better than that. I upgrade now. 2020 car. 2019 and the 2018 are the oldest car. I go drive now. 2018. I not drive nothing under 2018 unless it's a classic car. You understand? Just know that. So I have the Range Rover them, I have the BMW them, I have a brand new, I have a 2020 Bugatti. You understand? Like the Benz, I have a 2020 Audi as well. That's shot. Yo. Alright, so we reach us now. Yo, not deal it. Oh, me never ready. Ah, me not ready.
Never, me tell you, go do it.
Oh, no, stay, sir. You don't give me a chance. Hold on, me park my car here, say no. Right, that's how I park my car. Which come me get for them boy, you know. Start them off with this. Boy, come down the road. Boy, come on. Them come down the road. See me? Not gonna good, man. Oh, you change your gun, brother? Yeah. No on yourself. No on yourself. On a rampage. No man, I deal it. Hold on, come on there, sir. One of there. Ready? On a rampage. Eh? Come and shoot up car like I don't know by car. Not easy. Kill yourself. Kill yourself, boy. Duck, shoot. Watch it. You take shot for him. Ah, watch it. Me know say you punk long time. You want some? You want some? Oh, son no. 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 No on yourself. On a rampage. Where's one there? Next one there. Where you hide about? When there? When there? Duck before them start shoot. Pandejo, I'm going to show you who a pendejo or handejo. Pande who? Pande where? Pande who? What are they? Where you there? Where you there? Where you there? Where you there? Oh, I'm not dead. Oh, duck, roll. Gunshot. Why not aim good? Hold on there, man. Hey, boy. Him there. Watch it. Know yourself. Who else? Who else? Who else? One boy don't say no. Where there? Where there? Watch yourself. People are the most I use, you know. The most I use, you see me? Go around there. Next boy run and say somewhere, you know. Where there? I kill the last one now. Where there? Where there? Alright, over here, same there. What me about killing like a G? Hey, boy! Where you there? Alright, where you doing, sir? You know, shut the fire. Oi! Where you doing, sir? Know yourself. Walk and live. Talk and dead. Chair. Know yourself, man. Who not deal it? Who not deal it? Who not deal it? The episode that wasn't planned, me just feel to shoot some people, you know. And the best thing for you do is kill them boy, yeah. Alright, let me ride the bike and go for my car. If my car is still there, if they're not thief it, yep, still there, yeah. Big body Benz is here. No one look little bike, yeah. Jump in. Me just jump in our next job where I have to go thing there for Leicester. Not for Leicester, for Simeon. I have to repo one car for Simeon. My car is not far away from here. You know so I like repo car already. I like take up people things with them now pay for. And I'm gonna like say I feed them one and a hype. You understand? So yeah. Like me say I have a new house for show now. I'm gonna show you in the next episode. If everything go well. You understand? But you know what, them episodes never go as planned. I just say yo, I'm jump on and go on a video today and chat to you for a bit. Hope everybody's having a good day. Hope everybody's having a brilliant day. Because I know I am. So if you are, make sure you say you press the like button and make me know say you are by leaving that in the comment section. You understand? Other boy, hey, I cut corner. Think I alone can cut corner, boy. Where you there? Where you there? No self. Where you go? Yo, see me and say more make him carry me G. Overtake him. Yo, we see me and carry there. Oh gosh. Oh, I'm to that thing, man. Alright, top. Hey, T-A-P. Top. T-A-P. Oh god. What is that? What is going on here? Alright, man, I'm gonna slow it down. I'm gonna slow it down and deal with them wicked. Alright, go through, Miguel. Oh, yo! Come on, man. Yo, the expert controller am I using? I hate the expert controller, man. I don't know why. When I can't use expert controller, dog. I play a PlayStation controller, I know about. Alright, tire boss. I'm not going away too far. Alright, slow it down. Yo, shoot the man, no, dog. Make it look so lame, dog. Jesus, every bullet miss. I'm to the umbrella, dog. Yo. Yo, see me and say tell us to bring back him car come game, dog. I'm shoot out the window so I can see you now. That was the reason why I never shoot in the first place. Alright, that joke. Where you go? Don't do that. Go back on the road. Why not drive? People, the youth here really, I get on top of my nerve. The controller here too. The man said to bring back him car thief. Yo. Alright, kill him now. Ha! Fail. Alright, I fail. Alright, that's cool. Alright, cool. That's cool. I fail. Alright, I'm gonna do something else. Like I said, people, we just do various different things. Not an episode there. We're not do nothing, you know, constructive. Yo, hold on. I'm gonna get my next car. Alright, I could go towards a race now, cause like I said, that episode is just to showcase some cars and just you know, that episode that was sponsored. Please remember to go over my G page, go show him some love. Make him know say 𝐷𝐞𝐚𝐥 over there. Thank you for supporting me. So more and thank you in advance for supporting him. You understand? Yeah, so big up on yourself, people. Big up everybody who over here. Big up everybody who forward sometime and look. Big up everybody who wait for the live. Cause I know say yo, I'm excited about the live. Also, people, in the last live, I never do something that I was supposed to do in the heist. That is why I end up losing out on the heist. So big up the person who left for me to do in the comment section for me. So I can go do it. Remember, I am Jamaica's worst gamer, so not everything I go God's plan. Police, look more, man. Look more, man. Look more, me come link on it. Yeah, look more, man. Look more, man. Look more. Look more, man. Right now, this car is a Bentley, people, but it is a racing one. Set up as a racing one. Alright, I can see what I'm gonna pass now. Alright, I can jump in our race and see what I'm going. That's if they're gonna race me. Where this look? Oh, sorry, bro. Who wanna race me? Who wanna race? I must have my car ready in a dog. Put away my gun, because I don't want to kill nobody right now. Who want to challenge? Yo, I don't want to challenge the red car, and the red car look fast in the dog. Most car outperform me. Wow.
What? Oh my God. Why would you say that out loud?
What's the most car outperform me, dog? So I just look my car look good. What this? You want race? Oh, you tap no man? Most car outperform me.
Fuck me in the ass.
Hey boy, not tell me that. I'm to the brother here. Dirty boy.
I'm nearly there. Finish me.
No brother, you can't. We don't want to fish me. Yeah. Oh! You go dead. 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 Oh shit, what gonna say? I want to police him. Drive my brother. Lock your door, lock your door. Bike too, you know. Yo people, me have a bike too, you know. Me have two bikes. This is my the R1. Put on your helmet, daddy. Put on your helmet. Put on your helmet. Safety first. Alright, thank you. So, there's so much jobs we can do, like me confused right now. Me confused, like me so confused. Hold on. Alright. Me gonna rob the bank here, people. Me gonna rob the bank here. Go rob the bank here. Shoot out the camera them. Rob the bank here. Aye, nobody move, nobody get hurt. Nobody move, nobody get. You can't shoot that. That's too long for shoot them with a bigger gun in the man. Come on, daddy. Nobody move, nobody get hurt. Come on, who they are? Yo, stop look for me. Where you look for me for? Stop look for me. Oi, hey girl, stop look for me. Don't look for me. No, nobody in here. Yo. Let me finish shoot at the camera then, cause police outside too. Yo, quick. On some money, long time I not go on a robbery with the SZ. One more camera right there. Eh? Your life bad. You have 3 sons in jail and 1 and 2 pregnant daughter. Hey boy, watch it. What from out yourself? Where you do yourself? You on yourself. Police. Yo. Forward on us, sir. Quit the man. Quit the man. Money man. Money, look. Yo, come on, brother.
Ain't nothing but a punk.
Hurry up, dog. I'm here. Can I hold up my thing? Hey boy, hurry up. Hurry up, no man.
I'm opening the vault.
Hurry up. Hurry up. What you want to do? Know yourself. Lift up. Alright, here one now. Oh, you're lucky. I'm just about to kill you now. Here what? You don't need it again, you know. You don't need it again. You don't need it again, daddy. Thank you. Goal.
It's rich.
Goal. Know on yourself. Look at robbery still. Okay, 1.1 million. Okay. Alright, get my matic ready in case a boy run up. We just drop him. Come on. What you cry for? You good? Stop it crying. Stop it balling, man. Stop it balling. Hush. Where the police in there? One of there. Yo, who are forward? You're not police, though. Oh. One of them, I wait pound in now. One of them. Know yourself. Leave. Leave the premises, boy. Hey, boy, where do you run, sir? Know yourself. Right out of order and think. Me rob this and me do it broad daylight. Now we pan the sun to come up. Oi. Know yourself, boy. Oh, slow the man. Watch it. What going on a while ago? What going? Watch it. Oh, why you misunderstood that? Shoot this up. Know yourself. Alright, jump on your bike and cut. Move out. Wheel it. Pop style pound now. Know yourself. Forward now. Forward now. I want to pass the police station and see if you're good. You want to good? Think good around here? Alright, look more. Here. So now the ups up on the next side. Hear that? Know yourself. Hear that? Whoa! 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 Woo! Okay. Somebody's getting a bit touches. Alright, bust it through yourself. I'm not go underground. I got too easy for them. For me get to him. I don't want to get to so easy. Watch it. Whoa. No, I'm not going to the highway neither. Know yourself, boy. Know yourself. Boy, the man knock it in the dog. Know yourself. What I say? You ready? You ready for this? Oh, we need gas. Oh God, we need gas. Close to the gas station is rare. But there, sir. Close to the gas station up there, sir. Oh, we need gas. We need gas. Oh, you gotta rob bank and gas, brother. Where you come from, daddy? Where you come from, brother? Gas step on. Oh, yeah. No one yourself. Bike life. Alright, my nice look at innings against some boy. Over there. Come, ready. Quick. Ready, drive up. Alright, go find some country road now. Hui! Whoa, yeah, what that frightened me. Wow. Hello guys. Oh, no good. Don't crash, don't drop off. We are the dog. Man, get panic chance. Yo, watch on yourself, man. Know on yourself. Hoi! Oh! Whoa! This scary. Me not go up on the highway if you come kill me. 4-star, me and them a war. Cause it crash yourself. Alright. For this man in the city, this in a dog. Know on yourself, dog. Go up, sir. Up there. Ride. Helicopter go hard for those things now. Ride. Yo, how that? One lion? Lion are doing a jungle list, a mountain list, daddy. I allow you mountain lion still, but you know I'm open, sir. Over there. Know on yourself. You need a money here. Need a money in my clothes. Know on yourself. Helicopter nah left me in the dark. Helicopter here tell you about them show me that you know. Over there. Left the helicopter here, man. Over there. Uh-oh. Don't go over there, sir. Uh-oh. Alright. This look good. Oh, this look good. Look good. Why? Up there. Over there. Yeah. I'm too no bike me already now. I don't feel like. Huh? Uh-oh. Why? Oh, them run here so wait for me. Oh, you know say run here so me I come. Watch here. How far on the mountain me I go? Up there. Know on yourself. Hooey. Down there. Oi. Over there. Alright. Know on yourself, man. Know on yourself. Uh-oh. Alright. I'm sorry, but this is something I have to go do. Them chopper, yeah? Them chopper, you have to go. The chopper there, I met the man in rush for me there. Pull over which part? Pull over where? You think I'm an idiot? I have 1.1 million in my bag, from my back. And you tell me pull over for police? And someone no want? What want? Cheese chicken bag juice? Eh? What no want? What no want? Tell me what no want from me. What you want from me? What no want from me? Oh, more helicopter there. Oh God. More helicopter there. Hold on. Alright. Cool. Come on. This is over the army base me go. Me fully dog. You're going to army base dog. You wanna go to an army base this? Nope, you can't go to army base, brother. Chop it around us, so. You can't go to army base, that's like a rare spam me. I'm gonna mash up the Evans. I'm gonna mash up the. Watch it! Yo, hold on. Shoot the helicopter here, dog. It'll piss me off. Wait there. Know yourself. Come on. Know that some of that. Have some of that. When next Sunday? Come on, man. Have some of that. Know yourself. Jump on. How about that? Soldier, man, don't use yourself. Watch out. Soldier jeep. No one yourself and move from us. This is nothing concerning, no. It's a little bank mega rob after me and a terrorist. We just want some money. I want some money to buy some more car. We want to know. Me want a war. No yourself. Hey. Watch it now, soldier. Remember, say man respect on you know. Police when I like you say it. Alright, we're gonna go now. Uh-oh. On the beach. Don't go in the water now, boy. We're gonna so. We can't cross. I trap myself. Come and trap myself, people. Don't damage your bike. Just guys, man, damage your bike.
That is more stupid than an invincible traffic light.
5-star after me, people. I managed to make it home. Boy, I'm not see me yet. Oh, boy, I reach on the gate, dog. Dog. And don't come in my house, you know. Private property, you know. I'm allowed to kill on you, know. Oh. Bomba chopper. Go in my house. Alright. Just have this out just in case the boy them get in. But I got chance and lose them. But I'm shooting at that. Get there. The studio. I never know somebody else have studio. Wait! Most have studio, I never know. Yo, this sick, dog. This sick. Yo, there's more part in our house when we not go yet, you know. Sorry, people. I should have taken night. Is that me going on half piece of the touring? I should have given them more piece still. Stay tuned for the wriggle coming up. Ready? Alright, let's go. What 4-letter word can be written forward, backward, or upside down and still be read from left to right? See me? So it's a 4-letter word. It can be written upside down, backward, wrong side, inside out, left foot, right foot, and still be read from left to right. Which word is that? Please make sure you leave a comment down below, and also make sure you go over my G page, go subscribe and show him some love what you show me. You understand? Yeah, first sponsor that. So big up on yourself, people, and I will see you guys when I see you guys. You understand? Yeah. Peace.